Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today is another episode of the easy dishes. I'm going to make for you today the Mediterranean potato salad. Let's start. My ingredients are 6 boiled potatoes. I boiled them for 25 minutes. I have a bunch of cilantro or coriander, fresh, 2 cloves of garlic, a juice of half a lemon, 1/4 cup of olive oil, salt and pepper. I will start with cutting the potatoes into quarters. Next, I'm going to chop the coriander. I'll give it a mix now. Now I will add the salt and pepper, then the cloves of garlic, the lemon, then the olive oil, and mix again. My salad is ready. It's very quick and easy salad. I hope you liked my episode today. I hope you give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it goes. And don't forget to like and subscribe for our channel. And see you next time.